Think about the last time you met someone new. Within seconds, your brain decided whether you felt comfortable around them or not. Not based on logic, based on one feeling: do they get me? Here's the surprising part. People don't feel close to you because you're impressive. They feel close to you because they feel understood. Psychologists call this perceived understanding. And there's a simple hack that makes people experience it almost instantly. Most conversations sound like this. One person talks, the other waits to respond. Then they reply with their own story. But the brain doesn't register that as connection. It registers it as competition for attention. The hack is called reflective labeling. Instead of replying with your story, you briefly mirror the emotion behind what the other person said. If someone says, "I had a horrible day at work," don't answer, "Yeah, same, my boss is annoying too." Say, "That sounds really frustrating." If someone says, "I'm excited but nervous about this opportunity," don't answer with advice. Say, "Sounds like you really care about getting this right." This does two powerful things in the brain. First, it lowers social threat, because people feel seen instead of evaluated. Second, it increases trust, because your brain reads emotional understanding as safety. Studies show that people who feel emotionally understood rate others as more likable, warmer, and more trustworthy, even after very short interactions. Here's the twist. This hack works even if you don't fully agree with the person. You're not validating their opinion, you're validating their experience. And that's what the brain is secretly looking for in every conversation. Not to be impressed, to be understood.